Hi everyone, I'm Matthew Steilberg with C&F Bank, coming to you today with a really important update and topic, because focused on you certainly means taking good care of you, your identity, your money, and your safety. And the reason I wanted to speak with you is that fraud scams are now at an all-time high, particularly common check fraud. And I want to share with you today what's happening and what you can do to protect yourself, and also invite you to call or visit for any other help or advice that you need as we all combat this emerging crime threat. First of all, what's really happening is two things. Either customers are getting their identities stolen because a thief broke into a car, stole a pocketbook, stole a wallet, or a thief broke into a postal mail drop box. And what they do is they can impersonate our customer now. They can take that driver's license, alter their identity, alter their appearance, and come straight into one of our branches attempting to cash a check against your account. The other thing that the thief can do is if they've robbed a mailbox, they can look for a check, pull it out, counterfeit that check, or even wash it. And again, attempt to negotiate that at another bank, another branch, or simply put it into another account and let it clear through the Federal Reserve System. Either way, both customers and banks are at risk with these criminals. So the good news is there are things that you can do, and here they are. First of all, getting on online or mobile banking is the surest way for you to be able to monitor your account on a daily basis, whether you are a business or a consumer. Real-time alerts that are free will alert you to any transaction that's conducted on your account, and you can see if there's one that you don't recognize that very second and alert the bank. And for businesses, that's especially important because if you don't alert us within 24 hours, there's a good chance you will not get your money back. Other things about mobile banking, from bill pay, which makes it possible for you to pay bills without your check going through the mail with all of that information, protects you. Debit cards, where you use the chip function or tap function. Don't share all 16 digits of your debit card. It only shares an encrypted code. It's much, much, much safer than swiping your debit card, let alone writing a check. The bottom line is, do what you need to do to write fewer checks. Fewer paper checks absolutely will reduce your risk. Using services like Positive Pay for businesses, using real-time alerts, using e-statement, getting your statements through email is far safer than statements that are sitting in your mailbox outside of your house. Now, one last thing I want to share with you is that we are taking extra steps in our branches to protect you and protect the bank. So we're taking a very careful look at people that come in to cash checks, particularly ones that aren't drawn on C&F Bank. And I hope you'll be patient with us, because we're going to probably take a step or two extra just to make sure that you've got the check you think you have, because sometimes our customers are being duped, and that we have the customer in front of us that we think we do. And if that means an extra minute or two while we conduct that transaction, I hope you'll be patient with us. In the end, I know you want your money, your identity to be safe just like I want it for you, and it'll all be understandable, and you'll be grateful that we take that step. In closing, I just want to say thank you for your business. When you bank with a community bank, you should have a bank that takes the time to educate you about what's happening and what you can do. Feel free to call or visit our branches. And we would love to see you anytime that you have the chance to stop by. Thanks for banking with C&F. I hope you have a great day.
Citizens and Farmers Bank, member FDIC, equal housing lender.